Not all of us are blessed with strong brows. That's why brow products were invented. You can always experiment your look because you can just wipe it off if you don't like your first try. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to groom and reshape your brows. This is the first product that we will be using, petroleum jelly. Grab your cotton buds and brush the brow hair to flatten them. If you have a long brow hair, you can use a balm to flatten them. I recommend getting a nude eyeliner or concealer and use it to erase the hairs that you don't like. Once done, take your tweezer and start plucking them. Pull it in the direction where the hair is growing. Well, you can use an ice to numb the pain, but trust me, this is not that painful. The faster you pluck, the less it's gonna hurt. Clean brows. Now we will move on to applying moisturizing gel. This one is from Muso. Just gently dab it on the areas where you plucked your hairs. Alright, we're done. Let's move on to the next step. I know, a lot of steps just for the brows. Now take your brow brush and make a tiny little marks instead of a straight line. This will make your brows look softer. Take your time, girls. I know it's worth it. Now gently blend the product all over your brows. Now we're just gonna do the same on the other one. Always remember, girls, your eyebrows are not twins. They're sisters, so it's okay if they're not really identical. This time I'm using my brow pencil, and this is in the shade brown. You can also extend your brows by drawing an imaginary line starting from the edge of your brows up to where your brows are lined up. Now you're just gonna take your spoolie and blend it. Blending is the key as well in this brows. Very nice. Make sure to like this video and leave a comment down below. What do you think about my brows? But we're not yet done. There's another tip that I want to show you. If you want an illusion of a slimmer nose, you can extend your brows by drawing an imaginary line starting from the edge of your brows up to where your brows are lined up. I actually mentioned this earlier. If you really want a perfect and clean brow look, you can get a nice concealer and take a tiny brush, load it up, and start dabbing it over the areas where you want a sharp edge. Clean it as long as you want. It's your choice, girls. Alright, we're done, girls. Brows on flick. Please make sure to like this video and leave a comment down below. What do you think about my brows this time? And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. Stay confident. Bye, guys.